Hi, are you one of the millions that panic bought toilet paper during this pandemic? Now you're stuck at home with a lot of time and toilet paper on your hands? It's a good use with my easy DIY tutorial for tie-dye toilet paper nails. Let's get started. Use non-washable markers. Twist into small sections. Small dabs of markers, a little goes a long ways. Sprays of water, you don't want to get it too wet, it'll be very hard to unravel. Put clear tape on your nails and outline with a permanent marker to make your nail template. Transfer your nail template onto a clear sheet and label them. If you mess up like I did, just reposition the nail template and redraw the cuticle line and cut from there. Position your nail template over a tie-dye to see which areas you want to cut out. Use a white base nail polish to apply your tie-dye cutout. Coat your nails really well so that the design will stick on. The white polish will keep your toilet paper white so your tie-dye will stand out. With a cup of water, wet the ends and gently tear off the excess. Check the sides and tips for overhang and trim off if necessary. Using same polish as before, apply a thin coat, making sure you get the sides and edges. Apply a top coat of clear and make sure you seal the edges and sides. Clean around your fingernails with a cotton swab of nail polish remover. Afterwards, dry your nails for 5 minutes, and then you'll be done. I highly recommend using clean toilet paper, unless you want that used vintage look. Thanks for watching Creativity with me, C. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos.